Welcome to this special edition of Live Good, What Not to Do. So, I've been involved with many different types of businesses and I've had a lot of failures. And I almost really believe this, and I know this might not be really a great testimonial, but I have failed so many different ways that, even a broken clock is right twice a day. So, much like I think, like Thomas Edison invented the light bulb. It took him over 1,000 tries to do it, and time and time and time again. You just go back in and you find out what doesn't work. And I have squandered lots and lots of money, and I have bought people's BS. And there's so many liars and schemers and all that. So if you've got reservations about joining Live Good, look, I get it, right? I get it, because there's people, they're just after your money. They're going to tell you whatever you want to hear, and they're going to use FOMO, which is the fear of missing out. They're going to use that psychology to try to get inside your wallet, and they're not even going to think twice. They don't care about you, and they don't care about your family, and they don't care about your situations, and they don't care if it's your last chance. They're coming for every last dollar that you've got. And you've got to be the guardian that stands up and say, look, I can't say no. I can't say yes to everything. So, what somebody was saying to me was that focus is saying yes to one thing and no to everything else. So focus is saying yes to one thing and no to everything else. So I know it's different, because you will be presenting Live Good as a business opportunity to people, and people will be like, well, hey, that's great, you got this deal. Let me tell you about my deal. And it's almost like, well, it's reciprocity, but it doesn't work that way. You just have to let them go, right? You got to find people who don't have a deal, and there's millions and millions and millions of them that don't have a deal, right? So if you run across somebody who's doing another network marketing company, or they've got a business, or they're happy with it, great. Your message is not for those people. You just say, thank you very much, good luck with your business, and you move on to the person who's like, you know what, I'm between businesses right now. I just tried this thing and it didn't work, and I'm feeling dejected and I'm feeling humiliated, and I know that there's got to be other things out there besides, the 40-hour work week, 40-40-40 plan. It's 40 hours a week for $40,000 for 40 years. That's the 40-40-40 plan. I don't believe in that. Just don't believe it. And I've squandered a lot of my life, and I did. I got some good success. I got some pensions and things like that out of it. But I'm still young, and I still have another rodeo in me, and this is not my last rodeo. So with Live Good, it's $50. It's $50 your first month and $10 every month thereafter. I mean, maybe there's a lot of people who can't afford that legitimately, right? But most people, this is the only thing that I know that they can get involved with, right? And I know that people lie to them. People like say, hey, get involved. It's only $249. It's only $1,000. It's only $3,000, right? And then they go and they spend the money. Oh, but you need to buy these books. You need to buy these CDs, audio cassettes, these tools, this autoresponder, this web hosting, these leads that cost $35 a piece that are garbage leads. You don't need any of that stuff at Live Good. You just need to get involved and start taking the products, buying the products for yourself. That's what, you should be buying them anyway. If you're not buying them from Live Good, then buy them from the grocery store. Buy them from the Piggly Wiggly or the Publix or the Kroger or whatever grocery store that you have in your chain. Buy them somewhere if you don't get them from Live Good, because that's another thing, is taking care of your health. Wellness is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and there's an aging population that absolutely has to stay healthy in this day and age. It's like it's mandatory, right? There's people counting on you. So some supplements can be the thing that wards off. I mean, there's no promises because you can still take the supplements and still get diseases and things like that. But I really believe that if you take good care of your health and you watch your weight and you take, good nutritional supplements, you're going to live longer and you're going to stay out of the doctor's office. That's what I personally believe. And then if you're making money, you're going to have less stress, and that's going to give you more years of your life. And if you're young, don't think that this message is not for you, because it's absolutely for you. If you're young, right, you don't have to follow in my footsteps. You can start out, and then, and in a few years you could be set, and you don't have to, tire laboriously in a job that you hate. You can't stand the people. You can't stand the boss. You can't stand the politics. You can't stand the commute, right? And you're working just to survive. Just over broke is what a job stands for. Just over broke, right? So join Livegood. Commit to Livegood. Don't try Livegood. Don't say, "Oh, I'll give Livegood a try." No, try is also a word. Just like just over broke is a job. Try is tomorrow is really yesterday. No, you've got to make a commitment to Livegood. You've got to make a commitment to your health, and you got to make a commitment to share this opportunity with as many people, and it's going to be hard, right? If you work hard, then the money will come easy, but if you try to work easy, then the money's coming hard. So work hard, go out there, keep talking, keep talking to people, keep presenting it. And somewhere, somebody's going to go and they're going to sign up on your Livegood webpage that's included in your membership. They're going to sign up on that Livegood page. They're going to plug into the free training that Livegood has. They're going to try the products and they're going to love them, and they're going to get involved, and your business is going to take off. You just have to have faith, and you got to put effort in, and just got to have faith in yourself. But please, I understand, I get it. Right? There's people who are lying to you, and they're going to demand thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, and and maybe there's a low cost opportunity, but it's what are they not telling you? What else do you have to put and commit your funds to? You don't have to commit your funds to really anything with Livegood. You just got to tap into your warm market, tap into your Facebook friends, look at your phone, look at the contacts. Who do you know? Right? Maybe put some free ads out there. Right? Maybe create a YouTube channel and make videos like I'm doing. Maybe you have one or two subscribers. It's all good. We do this every single day. It's like I'm making a video every single day about Livegood. I'm just going on and on and on. Maybe nobody listens. It's just collecting digital dust someplace on some mainframe somewhere. But someday when it's going to be like magic. It's going to happen. I was talking to somebody. I took a course. And that's another whole nother topic for another day about courses and stuff. But I took a course on YouTube, and the guy, I was talking to this YouTube celebrity, and he's like, for the first 6 months, he had no subscribers. Nobody was watching him at all. And he made content every single day. He produced content. And then it really began to take off for him, really fast. But in the beginning, it was dreadfully slow. It's like, what am I doing? I'm wasting my time. But you got to have faith. You got to keep making the content, and you got to keep showing up and being consistent with it, and believe that it's going to work. And you know what? Life is just going to be like, you know what? This guy's serious, or this gal is serious. Let's see what happens when people sign up, and you get excited about that. And the win is not when somebody signs up. The win is when somebody listens to what you have to say. And the next win is when somebody puts their name and email address into that opt-in form. And the next thing is when somebody does sign up and they do try the products. And the next win is when they build a team of their own. And that next win is when you get that commission check and you cash it. And the next win is when you're taking care of bills and you're being able to take care of your family. And then the next win is financial freedom. And it's all based on that first win. It's like getting somebody to listen to what you have to say, right? And at least starting the conversation. Today, that's something that I forgot and neglected to say. I did call. So yesterday I went on a trip and I didn't make my calls. And I felt really bad about that because when I got home, it was late and I felt bad about it. Today I made all the calls on my goal that I was my goal. I met my goal for today was the calls, and then I made yesterday's calls also today. So I made up for it. I don't like to do that. I believe that if you miss a day, you just miss a day. Because if you set yourself up for failure, because what happens is you miss a day and you miss 2 days and you're so far gone, you just give up and quit. So if you miss a day, forgive yourself, release it, forgive yourself, accept it, release it, be grateful, and let go. And things will happen. So that's my Live Good video for today. Like, comment, subscribe. I like to hear from y'all. Even if it's just like I'll take any kind of comments. Like, hey, if you tell me I'm full of shit, let me hear that. I like to hear that in the comment section. Tell me something. Subscribe, like, share. And you have a great day. Thanks.